Hey guys, hope everybody is doing okay, having a great day today. I apologize for this video being so late. Um, I actually dropped the car off last Wednesday, which was May the 1st. And like I said, I've been real busy the past few days and haven't had a chance to edit and post the video. So I hope you enjoy it. Hey everybody, Kevin Walters here with Kevin's Auto Channel, and I just wanted to stop by to give you an update on what's going on with the Honda. So, I dropped the Honda off at the body shop on Wednesday and picked up my rental. Now, that in itself was a mess. I'd reserved a week before with Hertz, got to the Hertz rental place and they were out of vehicles, so they were trying to scramble to find some. So I said, well, I left and called an insurance company back and said, hey, listen, Enterprise is right beside Hertz, they had plenty of vehicles, can I just make a reservation for there? So that's what we did, and they put me in a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. And as you can see, it's a nice truck. It has a little over 10,000 miles on it. It's very it's comfortable. It's got a lot of power. It's got the 5.3 Vortec V8 in it, and but there is one thing that I'm not really crazy about. So with this 2018 Silverado, not crazy about the suspension setup on it. It's only way I know to describe it is it feels like Jello. If you make a sudden move or something, it's just got a lot of sway to it. It feels like it's very top heavy, and I'm glad I got it, because I've always had an F-150 when I had a truck, and it was very responsive. It was the prior generation, the 2011 through 2014 F-150s was the ones I owned, and they were very responsive, very tight, they had a stiffer suspension on them, so they were more sporty feeling. But with this Silverado, it's just very mushy, very like I said, it's got a lot of body roll to it. When you're going into corners, if you're swerving around something, it's just got a lot of body roll to it, and I'm not very crazy about that. The brakes, all Chevrolet brakes, they're very spongy feeling. If you have to stop real hard, you have to just about stand on the brakes to get the truck to stop, it feels like. And my dad's 2500 diesel, it's a 2019 Duramax, and it's a lot heavier truck, but it handles a lot better. It seems like it doesn't roll as much. It's got a lot stiffer suspension on it, stiffer springs in the back, so it's more planted, it feels like. But yeah, this 1500, the power's there, the accelerator is very touchy, but as far as the actual suspension and ride goes, I'm not very crazy about it. Hopefully the new 2019s with the redesign, it's a much bulkier, bigger truck, so maybe that solved some of the mushiness. Hopefully they've got a better suspension in the new generation Silverados, So I'm eager to try one of those and just see what it's like. But as you know, I was considering a Silverado before I had my heart set on the Mustang, and this just makes me want the Mustang even more. So, but yeah, they told me at the body shop, back to the Honda, they told me at the body shop that you know, the estimate was for about 54 to, it was for 54 hours. So they said 2 to 3 weeks. I'm thinking more 3 weeks, because, you know, they're going to be working on other vehicles besides mine. So probably an extra week or so. That's if everything goes well. They don't run into any snags. They don't have to replace anything. Right now they're saying, you know, they can just pop them out like hail damage almost, but some of it was creased, especially on the trunk deck lid and all, so we'll see about that. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully they don't put Bondo in it. Hopefully they don't try to rig it up to give it back to me. I'll go over it with a fine-tooth comb, but we'll see what happens there. But just wanted to check in with you, let you know what was going on with the Honda, show you what they put me in at Enterprise. So yeah, it's getting ready to be a rainy afternoon here in South Carolina, upstate South Carolina. So if you're around this area, try to stay dry, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope everybody has a great day today.